guys, it's me, Maddie here. I'm here in the AFI DIY lab today to make something I know you guys will love, toilet spray. And if you want to find out how to make this easy and effective formula, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our notification squad by ringing the bell. I'm gonna wait. You done it? No, do it, I'm waiting. All right, awesome, let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm gonna grab our water, which I already have measured out here in our mixing container. And what we're gonna do is we'll be adding glycerin into this. So glycerin will help keep stinky odors trapped beneath the toilet water, which is what we want. All right, I have this all nice and mixed well together, so I'm gonna set this to the side and on to the next step. So up next, we need to make our fragrance mixture. So today I'll be using Pine Needles by AFI. So what I'm gonna do is grab our polysorbate right here, and then I'm gonna grab an empty beaker so we can combine these two ingredients together, and we're just gonna stir it until they become clear. All right, now that this is nice and mixed well together, I'm gonna add this into my water mixture and mix them up really, really well. All right, I think we are good to go here, and now we're on to move to our final step. All right, because this is a water-based product, we're gonna need to add preservative because we definitely don't want this spray growing any bacteria or mold over time. So I'm gonna grab that really quick. We're just gonna pour it in and give it one last stir. Now, as you can see, I'm just using my spatula because it's very, very little, just to make sure this is nice and well incorporated. All right, and just like that, we're already done. So now all we need to do is package it. So, of course, I went with a spray bottle. So I'm just gonna take the top of this off, funnel on, set this bad boy off to the side just to give me a little more space. And that's all we have to do. All right, and I'm gonna set this off to the side. And you're done, just like that. This is such a simple spray to make, and why not try it out yourself? Let's be real, everyone has to, well, you know what I mean. So who doesn't need a spray to keep the stinky smell at bay? To use, simply spritz on toilet water before you go. Now this product costs us about $1 to make each of these bottles, and they can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $7. Pair this with one of our toilet taps for a squeaky clean and fresh smelling potty, and check out how to make them in our DIY playlist. If you followed along with us in today's video, tag us in our socials linked down below so we can see your creations. And don't forget to hit that like button to support our page, and we'll have more content just like this coming your way in no time. As always, I'm Maddie, and thank you so much for tuning in today's DIYs. Bye!